Reimburse it. I just hope that it's worth it. Give me that. Cause if it's up a bitch ass nigga, I'ma make it look I'ma make it look perfect. Carrie probably deserves it. See, old school might just splurges. Please don't let him resurface.
I did not expect that. I did not expect for him to be shaping up his own head. It's your boy right here, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is a requested video. I'm gonna be reacting to Stormzy's Sounds of the SKENG. I'm sorry. I know y'all gonna correct me. I don't know if I pronounced that right or wrong. But before we get into the video, if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Please do not forget to hit the notification bell so you will be notified the next time I upload a video. It's been a while. And I came back, and I'm still trying to get into the mode of doing what I'm used to doing. So, we're about to get straight into the video. Screen record on. Let's get it. In education.
Easy.
In Dubai.
5 whole years on a circuit, every single year I murk it. Every single year. I switch floors, they jerk it. I flip mode and reverse it.
Yo.
Bro, reimburse it.
Every time Stormzy does it, it's crazy. It's lit. His music lit. No front. No fronting, like, it's crazy.
Easy. 5 whole years on a circuit, every single year I murk it. Every single year. I switch floors, they jerk it. I flip mode and reverse it. Told bro, reimburse it. I just hope that it's worth it. Give me that. Cause if it's up a bitch ass nigga, I'ma make it look I'ma make it look perfect. Carrie probably deserves it. See, old school might just splurges. Please don't let him resurface.
I did not expect that. I did not expect for him to be shaping up his own head. Yeah.
Bad up the place and murk. Them man lift up a waist man skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my two hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. Allow me again, this that. Sounds of the SKENG. I move foul, my friends foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again. My dogs them are different. Nigga I miss the SKENG, spot the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance, so please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. You man just love begging it too much. You man.
This video is lit. This video is lit. It's everywhere and it's lit.
Nigga, I miss the SKENG, spot the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance, so please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. You man just love begging it too much. You man love the Americans too much. I do the most, but it's never been too much. Go coast to coast and I never get moved up. Facts. We talking racks. We talking plaques. All stats. I rude, but you do the maths. I look chilly in the south, but I live in the sticks now. Really been about, but they think I'm a prick now. Got a little money and a couple of bricks now. Big for my boot, but it's funny it fits now. The sauce don't stick to my swag, it drips now. You niggas talk your bag, it fits now. Cause that boy got to the bag, you rich now. I hope you niggas know what it is now. Name a nigga that's this consistent. Name a nigga that's this on point. Froze, wrist on point. For the trolls, fist on point. Get your post and your list on point. Wait there, little niggas wanna diss this joint. They tryna figure out what is this joint. Me and Flipper come and flip this joint. My fist big like miss this joint. Little niggas can't hit this joint. And I knew it was a banger when I ripped this joint. Man talk dirt on my name, but the truth is they're not realistic points. Bigger in person.
That's what's up, right? And you see the youngins, his youngers, they taking note. They taking note, studying, and he just teaching them. He taking them under, just teaching them. It's crazy.
Version, my niggas whip this joint. Don't talk like President flips his joint. Real niggas gonna dig this joint, but man might kick off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with the babes, I'm burst. Man just bad up the place and murk. Them man lift up a waist man skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my two hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. So allow me again, this that. Sounds of the SKENG. I move foul, my friends foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again. My dogs them are different. Nigga I miss the SKENG, spot the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance, so please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent.
Slit. Lit. That's that hunger right there. That's that hunger. I say this in almost every lit video. I don't say this in every video that I react to. If it's not lit, I just be like, that was different. That was different. But that was lit. This video is lit. Like, it was too lit. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about the video. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Please do not forget to hit the notification bell so you will be notified the next time I upload a video. And holla at me.